If you're experiencing issues with the Red Dead Redemption 2 update getting stuck at 2026, follow these steps to resolve the problem and successfully install the update. Step 1. Restart your console or PC. Begin by completely restarting your gaming console or PC. This can help clear any temporary glitches that may be causing the update to hang. Step 2. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. You can do this by testing your connection speed or trying to access other online services. Step 3. Clear cache. For consoles, power down completely and unplug for a few minutes to clear the cache. For PC, you can clear the cache by navigating to the game files and deleting any temporary files related to the update. Step 4. Pause and resume the update. If the update is still stuck, try pausing the update and then resuming it. This can sometimes kickstart the download process and allow it to continue. Step 5. Reinstall the game. As a last resort, if none of the previous steps work, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling Red Dead Redemption 2. Make sure to back up your game saves before doing this to avoid losing any progress. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the update issue and enjoy your game. If problems persist, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.